ready for this?
Today I'm going to talk to you about sports injuries for your GCSE PE revision. The first type of injury is what's called an internal type of injury, which is caused solely by the person responsible. As you can see here, we've got someone who's suffering from an overuse injury, namely a tennis elbow. Poor technique. Next type of internally caused injury could be what's called a sudden type of injury, which is where, as you can see, the performer has fallen over quite bad and sprained the ankle. They are both internal injuries. Next type of injury is what's called an external type of injury. This is caused by things other than the performer themselves. So one of these could be what's called an impact type injury, where someone physically moves someone out the way. The next type of externally caused injury could be caused from equipment, faulty equipment, like my John Wilson Deluxe here. It's a little bit worse for wear. The grip's coming off, so it could cause me some blisters. As you can see, a common injury that may occur through one of these type of externally caused injuries mainly is a fracture. This one's particularly serious. As you can see, the bone is protruding the skin, and we've got broken skin also, plenty of blood. As you can see, another common injury sustained through sporting activity is a head injury, a blow to the head caused by an impact or falling over. Hypothermia. This is a rapid cooling of the body, often caused by if someone's been doing something outside for a long period of time or has got themselves wet. As you can see, another common injury sustained there is a sprain. This is when the ligaments have been overstretched at a joint. A sprain is overstretching of the ligament. Whoa, 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 whoa! This looks like a muscle strain. This is where we've overstretched the muscle doing our dance moves. Remember, you need to know the difference between a muscle strain and a sprain. Remember, a sprain is overstretching of the ligaments and a strain is overstretching of the muscle. Now, the way that we can prevent these internally and externally caused injuries is by taking some precautions. First thing that you need to do is make sure that you have a risk assessment carried out for the area in which you're participating. Another thing that you could do, as demonstrated, is perform a thorough warm-up to make sure that your muscles are ready for action. And other things that you could do is wear preventative equipment, make sure that you're wearing helmets and shin pads and things like that for any sports that you take a part in. Come and have a seat. As you can see, my friend here has had quite a bad day. Multiple injuries. We've got head injury here. We've got some cuts which are being covered up with plasters. We've got muscle strains. But what we're going to treat today is a sprained ankle. Soft tissue injury. All soft tissue injuries we need to treat with rest. So this person here, she's stopped what she's doing. She's finished her sports for today and she's resting so that no more injury can occur to that damaged ankle. The next thing we do is we put ice on there. Just hold that on, please. We keep it nice and cold. And the reason we do that is to stop the swelling and reduce the blood flow to that area. We're pushing down on the ice onto the area and that compresses the area even more. So again, we're even further restricting the blood flow and stopping the swelling. And further, we have the leg elevated so that we're making the blood flow away from the injured part, therefore again reducing the swelling. How does that feel? Is that cold? Yeah. Bye.
Y'all ready for this?